A decrease in the overall concentration of spermatozoa in the ejaculate can be caused by various pre-testicular factors. These types of causes of oligospermia are those that are generally considered to be indirectly related to sperm formation, such as the following cases: alteration of hormones secreted by the pituitary gland, prolactin, FSH, and LH. Administration of anabolic hormones, poor diet, unhealthy habits, tobacco, drugs, and alcohol, exposure to environmental toxins or radiation, and stress. All these situations disrupt the normal operation of the body and influence the sperm production, among other issues. Nevertheless, regaining a normal sperm count might be achievable by committing to a more wholesome way of living. In the specific case of athletes taking anabolic hormones, testicular function recovers once this treatment ceases.